Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious brownies using an easy method. We'll start by gathering all the essential ingredients you'll need for this simple recipe. Make sure you have everything measured out and ready to go, as this makes the baking process much smoother and more enjoyable. Having your ingredients prepared beforehand is a key step to successful and stress-free baking, ensuring a perfect batch every time. Now that you have all your ingredients ready, let's get to mixing. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect brownie texture. Remember to combine the wet and dry ingredients separately before gently folding them together. Avoid overmixing, as this can develop the gluten too much, leading to a tougher brownie. We want a tender, fudgy result, so mix just until everything is incorporated. With your batter perfectly mixed, it's time to bake these beauties. Proper oven temperature and baking time are essential for achieving that ideal fudgy center and slightly crisp edge. Keep a close eye on them during the last few minutes of baking. And remember, patience is key. Letting them cool completely in the pan will give you the best texture and make them much easier to cut into neat squares. To elevate your brownie game even further, here are a few extra tips. Don't be afraid to experiment with additions like chocolate chips or nuts for a personalized touch. Using high-quality cocoa powder truly makes a difference in flavor. And for that ultimate fudgy experience, a slight underbake is often the secret. Enjoy your homemade, perfectly fudgy brownies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.